Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how you can draw shapes in Notability. So as you can see, we can draw something right here. And here on the left side, you see what I'm doing. So I just making a circle and this rectangle. And triangle we can also do like something like that. But as you can see, this is really like you would draw on your paper. Now here on the right side, as you can see, this one here is perfect circle. So how can we get to those from this left side to this right side? Now what you will do is also select here on something, this pencil. I will select a color that you will see. Now just draw the circuit, for example, and when you come to the end, just hold it. And as you can see, the circle changed to perfect circle basically from there. Now we can also, I show you with rectangular, so like that, and at the end just hold. And it changed to the perfect shape. And this is basically it, how you can draw the shapes in Notability. Really cool feature. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.